barkada, weekend na naman at syempre kapag weekend, walang tatalo sa good vibes, good food at good finds. Kaya nandito po kami ngayon sa isa sa pinakasikat na weekend food spot sa Makati, ang Legazpi Sunday Market.
Tama, dito siguradong matitas kami mga kada sa aming self-control. Naku po, dahil sa dami ng pagpipilian mula sa street foods at favorites hanggang sa mga unique finds.
But wait, hindi lang basta food trip ang goal for today dahil haharap tayong tatlo sa isang mission KU for today.
Okay, it's very easy. Kakasaba kayo sa 1,000 peso budget challenge. Simple lang ang gagawin nating mission, okay? Dapat hindi lang lumagpas sa mabibiling food, drinks, or mga kung anik-anik na makikita natin sa mga stalls. Dapat hindi lalampas ang 1,000 pesos. Kaya ba ng self-control nyo?
Kakayanin
At
sana
self-discipline.
makaya.
Kaya, if you guys are ready, ilabas ng budget! Ano ba yan, girls? Kita-kits later!
See ya!
Bye!
Oh, what is this? Ooh, I think I'm gonna try this. Smoke for 12. Hi there! Smoke for 12 hours. I love smoked food. So they smoke this roast beef for 12 hours. So also I'm trying to veer away from the sweets and the carbs, and everybody needs protein, so I'm gonna hit this first. Especially first thing in the morning, you wanna go for protein, not for sweet stuff or not for carbs. 300 pesos for the solo order. Thank you.
So, Hada, first stop, nandito kami sa isang fresh fruit juice shop. Yeah. Oo, so kailangan namin na pampalamig kasi sobrang medyo nagsa-start na maging mainit mga kada. And stay hydrated. We have to hydrate. We need to freshen up a little. 130 down. 130? Yeah.
Magkano po to? 100? Gusto ko po ng boneless dilis. Hindi siya maalat. Okay, I'm buying boneless dilis. Because we serve it in El Jardin. And I know it's so good, so I'm gonna try theirs. It's for 100 pesos for breakfast. Ma'am, sige po, ito po yung one. So, meron akong pang-uwi, meron akong pang-kain ngayon. Lagay ko na lang po dito. Thank you. Parang isang kainan ko lang to. Just one breakfast for me. Sorry, I'm not sharing, Steve. Thank you po.
I came here
May
with my
pangkulay
favorite
pa po
flower,
kayo na to, ate.
sunflowers. But the sunflowers are so expensive and there's only 3 left. So I chose my second favorite flower, which is these orange ones, because they're pretty. They're
Magkano to, ate?
still a little bit more expensive. They're 150 for 2 flowers, but
okay,
it's
sorry.
okay. Minsan lang to.
I'll get this, ate. Ay, wait. Saan tayo mas maganda? Wala na yung gusto ko ng flowers. Ah, yes, please.
Ate, magkano po to? 250. Okay lang ba ate? Ito na lang kaysa sa orange.
Sige na.
Yay! Mga kada, nakuha ko siya per magkano siya? 250. Wala na akong pangkain.
She's gonna eat
Gutom-gutuman.
flowers.
Gutom-gutuman kasi nagpapa-flowers.
That's her diet.
Here we are! Padalawa na tayo ito. So here we are! kami.
No, don't worry. I'm gonna do it.
Sir, ano ba yung long lasting?
Overlasting.
Yung, parang ganyan. Ganda. Na may sunflower. Hello po.
Thank you.
That's nice.
Anong size ma'am?
Po,
Thank you.
Gusto niya po.
gusto ko po definitely sunflower. Tapos paligiran nyo lang siya ng magandang
Maganda yung combination. Ay, wala na.
supporting cast.
May wala na ba yung ano dyan? Yung eucalyptus?
Oh, eucalyptus is nice. Ito po ma'am, oh, pwede natin ito sama. At saka,
I-mix yun na po natin.
opo.
Ilan dito ma'am?
Magkano po isa?
150 po.
150. So, yun po, magkano?
Hello? Ito? 150 din po.
Okay, 300 na. Sige, yun, isa lang po. Kasi 600 na lang po yung pera ko. Parang baliktad. Napag-isip-isip ko, dapat yata yung asawa ko yung nagbibigay ng flower sa akin. Ang mangyayari, ako pa yung nagbibigay ng flower sa akin. Ate, thank you so much.
Ano? Baba picture daw siya ma'am. Okay lang po ba?
Of course.
Selfie?
Here is the flowers.
So this is 100 pesos kasi I'm into seafood and super rich, crunchy. Fish balls, quick, ayan, like everything. I'll eat it everything. 300 for one solo beef.
What's left? What's left of your budget?
I have 500 bucks.
500?
Yeah. So nakuha ko siya mga kada for 250 pesos. So may 250 na lang ako na iwan left. May nakuha na ako na food, drink, and then pang yung US beef. And ito, aroma.
So, may score din akong Taiwan kamote, guys. Hindi napasok dun sa budget. Thank you.
Wow, I love it.
Hindi po, lagay niyo po sa ganito kasi it is Tapos na po ang aming 1,000 peso weekend market challenge. At ito po yung mga nabili ko. I bought this 12 smoked for 12 hours roast beef. And then I also bought flowers worth 600 pesos. Parang tinipid ko lahat, pero pagdating sa flowers, ibinuhos
Yun na.
ko lahat. Tapos,
Ano pa, Mama P?
yun actually, yun na yun. Bumili rin ako ng daing, boneless, dilis. But, that's it. That was my 1,000. Pero I also bought a beach bag.
Wow, that's so cute!
And I also bought food covers for the house.
Super cute!
Ayan, na may pinya.
Pinya siya. Cute!
And then, I also bought kamote
There you go.
for my husband. Here's Taiwan kamote.
Kuya Steva, may kamote.
Ako pa nagbigay ng flowers sa'yo. And then, I bought jewelry. Earrings and the ring.
At ang winner today ay si Mama P.
2,000 budget challenge.
Ayoko na bumalik dito. Buti na lang I got something free. Binigyan ako ng free meal ng you guys. I'm gonna eat this for dinner. How about you girls?
Ako, I got crablet for 100 pesos na siya mga kada. Ayan, nabawasan na nga siya. And then, kumuha din ako ng US beef. Actually, same lang kay Mama Pito. This is 300 pesos. And then, kumuha din ako ng linen spray. This is 250 pesos. At nagbigay sila ng freebie din na roll. So, super bango.
I love the freebie.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Legazpi Weekend Market.
Yes, and then dito din, nasangit din ako dito Mama P sa flowers din. 550 pesos para tignan nyo naman mga kada. Oh.
So
Mahal talaga yung
nice.
fresh
Ganda.
I love the green.
So yun, sa'yo, Jazz.
Miss Canadian import. What did you get?
Me, parang 500 budget challenge lang. Because I got my flowers. I only got one kind, and it's the orange ones. This one was 150 for these two, so I think it's nice. Honestly, I want to get more, but I can't keep them alive, so I'm like, you know what? I'll just get them. I'll just get the ones that spark joy.
Realistic.
Oo.
Realistic si Jazz. Very realistic. I love that, Jazz.
Yes, and then I got, this is my favorite thing to get at markets, the fresh juice.
Yes.
What is
So,
that exactly?
A ripe mango smoothie. Perfect because it's so hot. It's so hot here.
At kakain siya ng, kung sino pa yung galing Canada, yung Canadian
Yes.
import, siya pa yung kakain ng kwek-kwek.
Quick, quick.
Kaming dalawang
Roast beef.
Taga dito lang.
local, pa-roast beef pa.
Kami.
Imported roast beef. Yes,
So-
this is my favorite. Yeah, quick.
Kwek-kwek. So, zero balance na kami. Ikaw may 500
May
pa.
500 pa si Jazz.
Yes.
Talo kami ni Jazz sa budgetan.
Siya
But
yung
it's okay, I'll
solid
buy a
bag,
beach bag
self-control.
mamaya.
Yan! And now, it's time to try the stuff we bought. Kaya mga kada, tapos na ang aming 1,000 peso weekend market challenge. And now, it's time to eat!
Mga kada mula sa iba't ibang street food hanggang sa mga unique finds na napatunayan namin na hindi kailangan malaki ang budget para sulit ang weekend experience.
Yes, and kaya naman mag-chat na sa inyong group chats with friends or family and tell them to come here dito sa Legazpi Sunday Market.
Naku, it's really a Sunday morning well spent mga kada. Kaya naman, kung kayo po ay ready to eat your hearts out, get some good finds,
Yes.
diba, na very unique din at handcrafted pa by local artisans. Kita-kits po tayo dito sa Legazpi Sunday Market at sa susunod nating Mission KU!
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.